Have you ever wondered why, even after following all the traditional financial advice, you still don't see the results you expected? You're not alone. The truth is, classic money books often repeat the same ideas, while truly powerful strategies remain hidden. What if I told you there are unconventional but highly effective financial habits that can accelerate your journey to financial independence? In this video, I'll reveal 7 habits no one teaches you, but that have the power to transform your financial life. Stay until the end, because habit number 5 will completely change the way you see money. Ready to discover what really works? Let's go. The first habit is automate your investments. How many times have you committed to investing regularly only to procrastinate or forget? The solution is simple. Put your investments on autopilot. Tools like automated investment apps allow you to schedule monthly contributions directly from your checking account. This way you invest without even noticing, and your money grows consistently. Imagine this. Instead of relying on your motivation, you create a system that works for you 24/7. This habit not only eliminates procrastination, but also ensures you're always building your wealth even during the busiest months. The second habit is invest in specific knowledge. While most people focus on traditional investments like stocks and real estate funds, the real gains often lie in less explored areas. Cryptocurrencies, niche markets, or emerging sectors can offer exponential returns, but only if you know how to navigate them. Dedicate time to study and specialize in an area that interests you. For example, if you're into technology, dive into the world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain. Specific knowledge puts you ahead of the crowd and opens doors to opportunities others don't even see. The third habit is diversify with alternative assets. Most people think of stocks and real estate when it comes to investing, but there are countless other options that can complement your portfolio. Real estate, crowdfunding, art, wine, and even precious metals are examples of alternative assets that can reduce risks and increase your gains. Online platforms make these investments accessible even for those starting with little capital. Diversification not only protects your money in uncertain times, but also increases your chances of finding lucrative opportunities in less saturated markets.
The fourth habit is create multiple streams of passive income. Relying solely on your salary is one of the biggest financial traps. The key to financial independence lies in building income streams that work for you even while you sleep. Dividends, rental income, royalties, or even creating digital products are ways to generate passive income. Start small, reinvesting the earnings to scale over time.
Imagine having multiple income sources that cover your monthly expenses and still leave room for investing. This habit not only increases your financial security, but also gives you the freedom to live the life you truly want. The fifth habit is negotiate everything. Most people accept prices and conditions without question, but the truth is, almost everything is negotiable. From utility bills to major purchases, the art of negotiation can save you thousands every year. Learn to research prices, compare offers, and ask for discounts. For example, when renewing your internet plan or car insurance, call the company and ask for a discount. Often they'd rather lower the price than lose a customer. The money you save can be reinvested, further accelerating your journey to wealth. The sixth habit is learn to use debt to your advantage. Debt isn't always bad. The secret lies in how you use it. Loans for investments that generate returns higher than the interest rates are an example of good debt. For instance, if you get a low-interest loan to invest in a business that yields 20% annually, you're using other people's money to grow your wealth. Of course, this requires planning and discipline, but when done correctly, it can be a powerful tool to accelerate your financial growth. The seventh and final habit is review and adjust your financial plan regularly. Life and the market are always changing, and your financial plan needs to keep up. Create a monthly or quarterly ritual to evaluate your goals, investments, and expenses. Ask yourself, am I on the right track? Do I need to make adjustments? This habit ensures you're always aligned with your objectives and ready to seize new opportunities. Remember, financial independence isn't a destination, it's a journey, and reviewing your plan is essential to getting there. So, which of these habits will you implement first? Automating your investments, diversifying with alternative assets, or starting to negotiate everything? Comment below and let me know which one inspires you the most. And if you know someone who's also looking to build wealth, share this video with them. Remember, financial independence doesn't happen overnight, but with these habits, you're taking the right steps to transform your life. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.